Leap Welcome Weekend is an opportunity for brand new MS LIS students to engage with each other, get to know one another face to face, have an opportunity to meet faculty and staff at the iSchool, learn more about the University of Illinois and the iSchool, and they also get a lot of professional development while they're here, get introduced to the degree program, and have an opportunity to make connections with each other so that when they return home and continue the degree completely online, they have those faces to connect with and those connections made. And alumni have told us that it's critical and that the connections they make during Leap Welcome Weekend actually end up lasting as lifelong friendships and professional collegial relationships as they move into their careers. Welcome Weekend happens about 4 weeks into the beginning of their semester because we found that students who have an opportunity to begin to get a sense of what the class structure is like online, once they come here for Welcome Weekend, can ask better questions, understand what they don't understand, and begin to realize the value of making those relationships when they realize what they didn't have for the first 4 weeks.
I'm sort of looking forward to things like the Fab Lab later with the getting hands-on with some tech stuff. Really looking forward to opportunities to network with other archivists through like the Society of American Archivists and really like dig deep into the archival world specifically and learn what sort of opportunities there are out there and what sort of fields I can get involved in and what sort of people I can meet.
So far for Welcome Weekend, we have discussed some things as a group about information access, about data. We've talked about, in smaller groups, we've discussed some articles, we've done some icebreaker activities, gotten to know people. Some people have been able to break out into groups that they have in classes and get to know each other a little bit better. We have also gone over things like the handbook and just different things about U of I itself. They've done a good job of making us feel welcome. I think that it could be really easy for online students to feel neglected, but U of I, the School of Information Science is doing a really great job with this Welcome Weekend of pulling us in, making us really feel like we're part of the U of I family, and really giving us that good face-to-face without it being too much. We have a lot of freedom within that to make our own call about what sort of things are interesting to us and who we want to meet, and how far we want to take it. So far, the thing I've enjoyed the most is just being with a small group and getting to talk what books we've been reading, what our jobs are like, just getting to know people one-on-one.